Alright, so we're here, Franklin Basin, slopes north, or east-northeast facing, 33 degree slope. Got a little bit of wind crust right there. Did a compression test. Had a failure at 25 on this layer, down about 18 inches. On a separate compression test, we had a failure about 25 just in some nasty layer down in here, just an old faceted layer. And then another failure right at the ground at 15 on this compression test. Now we're getting the extended column.
There you go.
So 26,
Propagate.
Yeah, 26, full propagation. Didn't pop out. It's on that bad layer about 18 inches down. Looks like a faceted layer just before that last couple of storms. So, you want to pull that off? Right
Yeah, I would. See how
now? Yeah,
it's going. Clean, isn't it?
yeah, it is.
Whew. Yikes.
Yeah, pretty smooth. So. Probably can't see it too much. The faceted layer, the facets are starting to round, but they are still small facets. And yeah, bad layer.
Okay. Anything else?